Hello, in this video we will show you how to use IMAP monitoring, which is part of the ClouDNS monitoring service. By enabling IMAP monitoring, administrators can proactively detect issues with mail server availability, verify that the IMAP service is accepting connections, and monitor the health of the incoming mail infrastructure. It's a simple yet effective way to catch service disruptions early, before they impact users. To create an IMAP monitoring check, log into your account. In Dashboard, go to the Monitoring section and click on Add New. So first, you need to enter the name of the monitoring and the IP address or hostname of the server or device you want to be monitored. After that, you have to choose the monitoring check type and the desired monitoring region. About the monitoring period, you can choose from this right here. Furthermore, with ClouDNS monitoring plans M&L, you also have 1 and 5 minutes monitoring intervals. The following field is about the number of checks to confirm the status change, up or down. Here again, you need to type the preferable for your value. Now, you need to write the timeout. That means the seconds to wait for a response. It must be a value between 1 and 5. Then, you need to select the connection security type, which is typically SSL/TLS for secure connections. And the second to final step is to write the port number to which the IMAP check will be made. The default port is 993, and it is the standard for secure IMAP connections. For unencrypted IMAP, none. The typical port is 143. However, ports can vary depending on your server's custom configuration, so it's always best to confirm with your provider. The last step is to select the state of your check to be active or paused. Now, as you can see in our example, the IMAP monitoring check is marked as down. So let's try to understand what's going on here. If we take a look at the monitoring history, you'll notice there are exactly 5 checks. And the reason for that is simple. We set the number of checks to confirm a status change to 5. So after 5 consecutive attempts with the same result, the system updates the status accordingly. In this case, since all 5 checks failed, the system marked the service as down. But why would that happen? Well, there are a few possible reasons. It might be that the IMAP service on the server isn't running properly. Or maybe the port is closed or being blocked by a firewall. It could also be that the security settings don't match what the server expects. For example, you selected SSL/TLS, but the server doesn't support it, or it's listening on a different port. And of course, sometimes it's just a temporary network issue, or a DNS problem that prevents the connection. In our specific example, we were checking port 993 using SSL/TLS, but since the monitoring service couldn't connect to the server within the time limit we set, it marked the status as down. In addition, you can modify your monitoring check at any time. And if you want to receive the notification about the status in the additional email, different from your primary, you can do it from here. Thank you for choosing ClouDNS. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.